Understandably, one of the questions about Consentric concerns the way it is configured. It's actually very simple. At its heart, Consentric has two standout capabilities. The first is the ability to apply our unique 5W framework, a system that records 5 key pieces of data to every single data subject. What personal data has actually been collected? Who is using or has access to that data? Why the data has been collected and its purpose? When the data was collected? And where the data was captured and stored. Consentric's second key capability is the means to handle all the 6 L's, the 6 lawful bases for processing personal data across an entire organisation and every customer touchpoint. It's worth reminding ourselves what they are. Gaining consent of the data subject, ensuring there's a legitimate interest, for the performance of a contract, compliance with a legal obligation, to protect the vital interests of a data subject or another person, and ensuring the performance of a task is carried out in the public interest. It's worth remembering that if you're relying on legitimate interest, the right to object to a processing activity should be made available electronically, which Consentric empowers an individual to do. So in short, with these two capabilities, Consentric can provide a comprehensive and compliant record of processing activity of personal and special category data. And this, of course, is a compelling offering and one which is increasingly important in today's world, when an organisation needs to demonstrate accountability to regulatory bodies and to individuals.